started off 2018 with so many goals: growing my business, growing my social media, traveling to exciting places, watching my marriage grow, saving more money, and so much more. I worked my butt off to expand my personal brand and business, hire an assistant, pull away from law more. This year, I grew my social media presence over 150%, tripled my social media income, traveled more, and I had the privilege of working with some amazing brands. In addition, we completely moved out of our old house because we finally bought our dream house. And I was able to fully decorate it within 2 months. Wowzers, pinch me. On top of that, I grew my social media audience by 150,000 this year alone, and now reach and inspire over 250,000 people worldwide. And I have to say, it is the best group of supporters, followers, and friends. I only have you guys to thank for that. I am very, very blessed, and that is definitely an understatement. I've shared my entire home styling process with you guys. You guys have seen how everything comes together, from the furniture to the accent pieces. And I must say, I have truly enjoyed inspiring and motivating you guys. From designing my dream closet from scratch and seeing it come together, to building a kitchen island from scratch, and hearing how it inspires you all to do the same thing makes it all so worth it. I also got the opportunity to work with so many different brands and companies such as Applebee's and Wendy's and Coca-Cola and Bravo, and the list goes on and on. In addition, I was extended some amazing opportunities to attend so many events, including premieres, and my all-time favorite was getting invited by stars to attend the season 5 premiere of Power in New York City at the Radio City Music Hall. And these seats were absolutely incredible. I mean, we sat in front of the cast. Crazy, just unimaginable. This year was a really, really great year for me, and it opened up so many doors. You have no idea how touched my heart is being able to see my dreams unfold, and how grateful I am to God. Want to know what 2019 holds for Angel? Oh, this year is going to be epic, guys. More hauls, more vlogging. I'm going to share more personal details of my life, more amazing DIY projects, and more of how I keep my house clean, especially with 2 dogs. And I definitely plan on sharing more of my healthy eating habits, recipes, and meal prep. This year, I am promising myself to work harder than I ever have, and to value and appreciate myself like never before, to be the best I can and inspire you guys along the way. My journey won't be perfect, but nothing ever is. If you take anything away from me, remember, you make your own happiness. I would love if you guys stuck around with me for this next chapter, and thank you for an amazing 2018, and I look forward to an incredible 2019. Happy New Year. Let's do this.